Well, hello there. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Danielle LaRocca, and I'm here to talk to you. So today I am going to be doing this aquamarine monochromatic look. It's something different I've never really done on my channel before. A friend of mine wanted me to do something like this. So yeah, if you would like to see how I did it, go ahead and stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe and the bell notification so you don't miss any videos that I put out next. Here in 2020, I will be uploading twice a week. I was uploading once a week in 2019, but now I will be uploading twice a week. So every Tuesday and every Friday. So please make sure you stay tuned if you want more content from me. I do beauty, I do beauty, makeup, reviews, demos, all that kind of stuff, tutorials. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this really crazy sea urchin kind of look, then go ahead and stay tuned. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. I'm really excited because today I'm going to be doing a monochromatic makeup look. This was an idea from a friend of mine, and she's been watching my videos and she sent me this idea last night. So the concept of a monochromatic look is, and you might have seen it like in paintings, she actually showed me one, I thought it was really cool. It is when you take a color and you base your look off of that one color by creating different shades of that color. So today I'm going to be taking like a, I guess you would call it like an aquamarine or like a teal kind of color. And then when you add like white to it, you get a lighter looking shade, and when you add black to it, you get a darker looking shade. So I'm going to be playing around with that color today, and we are going to do a monochromatic look. So I'm going to do my eyes and then my lips using that color. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to start on my face, and then we will hop into the eye look. Okay, so now that my face is done, let's go and start with the eye look. Yay, I'm super excited. So I'm gonna be going in with my Fenty Beauty eye primer. So we're gonna prime our eyes. I don't usually set my eye primer. I feel like for me, since I have hooded eyes, it works a lot better if I don't set, and I've never had a problem with creasing or anything without setting, so that's just how I like to do it. I'm super excited to see how this is going to turn out. I'm leaving my eyebrows for last just because I might want to do the aquamarine color on my eyebrows too. We'll just see how everything looks. Okay, so now that my eyes are all primed, I have so many palettes in front of me. I tried to pull the palettes that I had that had kind of that aquamarine kind of teal color. So I think we're gonna start out first. So the main color that I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use from the Juvias Place the Zulu palette. I'm gonna be using this color as the main look, so I'm trying to match and see which of like a transition shade fits closest to that. So I think we're gonna go in with, this looks like a lighter aquamarine color, the shade I'm Cold in the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. So let's do that first. Next, we're gonna go in with the Celestial Storm palette from Dominique Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be taking the shade Mystic Ice right here, and we're gonna put that in our outer corner. Okay, that's looking really cool. Now we're gonna take that shade from the Juvias Place palette, this aquamarine color, and that's gonna go all over our lid. Okay, now I'm gonna do some eyeliner on the top and I will be right back. Okay, so I got my winged liner going on right now. So now I'm going to pop on some false lashes and then we will continue with the bottom liner, the mascara, eyebrows, all that stuff. Okay, so I have my false lashes on. I was just always using the Ardell Wispies. It comes in like a 4-pack. So that's what I did, and I trimmed my lashes down to size. So I always recommend that you do that for your eye shape. For me, also because I have hooded eyes, I trim them in the corner so it really just sits on the middle of the lash. And then with the Ardell lashes, these ones in particular have like the white ribbing, and I use the white lash glue from Duo that dries in like clear, but you can always still see like a little bit of the white from, you know, the band of the lash. So I always go in with my eyeliner and I go in and I dot where the white is so you don't see it. So now that we have our lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my mascara, and I'm gonna do the Balm Cosmetics, the Mad Lash. This is what the applicator looks like. So what I also wanted to do is I wanted to line my waterline with this aqua pencil. This is Marcel, I believe, Marcel. This is in Blue Lagoon. So I'm gonna pop that on my waterline on the top and the bottom, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have my waterline done. We're still gonna line under our lash line. So let's take, I found the shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's at the very bottom on the, let's see, the left-hand corner is this cool color. So we're gonna take that and I'm gonna line the bottom lash line. Okay, that's looking really sick. So we have the eyebrows left and our lips. I already know what I'm gonna do for my lips, but I'm debating if I want to do this look on my eyebrows. Okay, let's just try it. So I have a face paint palette. It is by CC Beauty, and I'm gonna try to fade out the turquoise, or do black on the tail and then fade it into the turquoise on the top. So bear with me here. I hate eyebrows. I think eyebrows are like the hardest thing for me specifically. Okay, I think for my first time that's actually looking really sick. That looks awesome. So then I'm going in on that same face paint palette and I'm taking that aquamarine shade and I'm just kind of doing most of the color on this inner part of the eyebrow, and then I'm trying to blend it into the black as best as I can. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the lips, and I think I want to do like a darker shade of this teal color, so I'm gonna mix some black in here. Actually, first I think I'm gonna line part of my lips with the black and then I'll blend it out. Okay, everybody. So this is the finished look. I think my eyes turned out really cool. I think next time I'm gonna see how it looks with just like normal eyebrows. I kind of wanted this to be fun and different. So on my lips, I lined with black, and then I kind of did like a shading of white in the middle. So it kind of has like a two-tone effect. And then if you want, you can always add like a little bit of a highlighter to your face. I don't have any highlight with like a greenish tint, but I do have highlighter. Let's just put on a little highlight. I'm kind of feeling like an underwater siren, you know, like a water nymph or something. I think this is looking really cool. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna wear this like to the grocery store, but yeah, just showing off a little bit of what you can do with your makeup and with face paint. But yeah, my eyes turned out sick. I'm definitely gonna wear those all day, but I'm gonna fill back in my brows to its regular shade. But thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this video. This was something different. Haven't done face paints yet on my channel, but I will be incorporating more of that later. And this is one of my favorite colors, this like kind of tealish aquamarine colors. So let me know what you guys think. Drop me comments below. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on anything that I put out next, and hit that bell notification, of course, ding-a-ling-a-ling. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.